Hey guys, I just want to show you the Christmas gnome and puppy inflatable I got. It's 6 foot long. It's got built-in LED lights. At night, you can light it up. It's made of polyester. It's water resistant. It comes with 6 plastic gnomes, not gnomes, 6 plastic ground stakes, 3 water bags, and 4 drawstrings. It's for indoor-outdoor use. And this is what it looks like. And we're going to take it outside and set it up. Here. Comes with the 4 water bags. Actually, it comes with 3 water bags. And it comes with all these stakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Comes with paper. You can get this on Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description. The same thing. And then comes with these. So I'm gonna go, and it comes with these little clips. 3. So I'm gonna go outside and try to hook it up right now. Okay guys, it's blowing up right now. You gotta make sure the zipper in the back's all the way zipped up. This is very easy to do. All you have to do is take these little things, plug it right there, tie that up, and then put it right down there into the ground. And then they have 4 spots to do it. There, right there, right there. And you take the water bags and you put them right here where the zipper goes. You put 3 water bags in there so it'll stay down. Like that. When it's pitch black, I'll come out here and I'll finish showing you how to do it. Or I'll show you what it looks like at night. Here's the water bags. You just take it and put it in here. You just take these and put it in like this. And you gotta make sure it's zipped up too whenever you do it. You just stick it in there. and then it'll hold it up. There's an LED light in there. See? Here's the light. You see it? Kind of hard to see, but there is an LED light in there. So you just... And this is what it looks like at night. I like it. It's really cute. It's easy to set up. Look how cute that dog is. See? Look at the little gnome. How cute is that? But I just want to show you guys. Online, these are retailing for $69.99. And I'll have all the information in the description box. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later.